The main accused in Mumbai's toxic alcohol tragedy has been arrested from Delhi this afternoon. 102 people are now dead after drinking that toxic country-made liquor. Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said he wants death penalty for the culprits. Ironically, the Chief Minister hasn't yet visited the families of those who lost their lives, and it's taken almost a week for this high-level probe to be ordered.
Chief Minister Fadnavis wants the culprits responsible for spurious liquor and the death of 102 people to be hanged. The State Cabinet today ordered a high-level probe into the Malwani Hoosh tragedy to ensure the guilty are punished.
चीफ सेक्रेटरी के उनके अध्यक्षता के एक समिति नियुक्त की गई है जिसके छानबीन करके उन्हें 3 महीने में रिपोर्ट सादर करना है.
Over 100 families like that of 45-year-old Mahmood Hussain are struggling to cope with the death of a bread earner. The women here are angry that the authorities turned a blind eye to a tragedy waiting to happen. They allege the police were hand in glove with the liquor mafia.
पुलिस तो हफ्ता लेती थी, वो लोग बोलते पुलिस तो छापा भी मारी थी पुलिस ने, और यहाँ पे 2 बार उसके घर पे छापा मारी और दारू भी पकड़ा है, और फिर उसके बाद में उन लोग हफ्ता दिए और छूट गए.
बच्चा लोग का हमारा तो बर्बाद हो गया दारू में. खाली 100 रुपए लाता है, 200 रुपए लाता है, 100 रुपए दारू में रखता है, 100 रुपए घर में लाके देता था.
तुम्हारे घर में क्या है, क्या चल रहा है, कैसा हो गया, क्या हो गया, आज तक कोई पूछने नहीं आया. फिर कैसा 1-1 लाख दे रहे वो लोग.
The main accused, Atiq Hussain, was arrested in Delhi on Tuesday. The methanol, which was being added to the alcohol for a quick high, was being supplied by Atiq from Gujarat. 100 tragedies unfold as we walk through this narrow lane in Malwani. And even as each family tries to cope with the loss of their sole breadwinner, the politics of it not left far behind.
Our Honorable Chief Minister have not spared any moment, any time to visit that area. The people are dying because of this illegal and illicit act, but the Chief Minister is very much busy into yoga. I demand from the government that the whole thing should be investigated by CBI.
8 people have been arrested so far and 8 policemen have been suspended. But will the menace of spurious liquor be stopped is the question. In Mumbai with camera person Praveen Rohit, Nikita Arora for NDTV.